Hey everyone, Malachi from Frase here. Let me show you how to go from keyword to search dominating article in under 5 minutes using rank ready documents within Frase. Content marketing has evolved. The old way of manual research, hours of writing, hoping you cover the right topics, can't keep up with today's demand. Modern teams need to scale content production without sacrificing quality or losing their brand voice. With rank ready documents, you get intelligent, data-driven content creation. We'll start by entering the topic you want to rank for. Let's use content marketing in the AI search era. Next, you'll select your brand voice so the content sounds like you from the start. Then click Generate Content. Watch what happens now. Frase analyzes the top 20 ranking articles in real time, extracting every topic, every question, and every content pattern that's actually working. This isn't generic AI guessing, this is competitive intelligence turned into your content foundation. You're seeing what ranks on Google, what gets cited by ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude, and what questions your competitors might not yet be answering, all analyzed in seconds. Now we'll take a look at the results. We'll see SERP, which is going to be the top 20 Google results that we've analyzed, query questions, which are going to be questions that you should be answering in order to better rank on GEO platforms, and then the outline that we've provided for you. I'll go ahead and hit Generate Article now so we can see the content. Now that Frase has generated the complete article, you can see that it's going to be fully optimized in your brand voice with an introduction, proper heading structure, and body sections covering all ranking topics with a conclusion. Everything is already formatted and written in your tone. This is high quality content that maintains authenticity while being engineered to dominate search, both Google and AI platforms. Here's the main power. Your article is already fully optimized. See these scores? You're already at ranking quality for Google and optimized for AI citations. Every topic competitors cover is included. Every ranking factor is built in. This isn't a rough draft. This is search-optimized content ready to compete. The great thing about this is your editing is minimal. You can add a specific example from your company, insert a recent stat, adjust a sentence or two, and you're doing final polishing and adding those unique touches that only you can provide. The foundation that takes hours is already done and already optimized. When you're satisfied, you're done and ready to publish. Here's what you just created. Content that ranks on traditional search engines and gets cited by AI platforms, consistent brand voice, full optimization, and it's done in minutes, not hours. This is how modern content teams maintain quality at scale and unlock competitive advantages in both SEO and AI search. Rank-ready documents give you search-dominating content in your brand voice, fully optimized from the start. All you need to do is add a final polish. Start your free trial and see how AI-powered content creation transforms your workflow and your organic traffic.